Okay, I just got a message on the channel. Somebody said, appreciate the video. The noise that you had explained in the video is exactly what I'm dealing with. And I forwarded your video to the other Ford dealer so they could be aware of this is the sound that I'm experiencing right here with this gentleman's fixing in this video for the customer. This is the sound. But also at the same time, I have some concerns because it sounds like after I shut the vehicle off and I get out of the vehicle to walk away, I hear things still actuating when I have the key off and the vehicle's all shut down, and I can hear modules and things turning on. That is normal. The ABS module and other modules online will every so often do a self-check. They will turn on, actuate, self-check the system, and then shut back down. That is how that system operates. That is nothing abnormal. That is completely 100% normal for the vehicle to do something like that until it goes into deep sleep mode. That's if you were leaving the vehicle for several days unattended, and then it shuts everything down to conserve battery power. But it will do a sweep of the systems that need to be self-checked while the vehicle's off. Before, that was never the case. Now, that is the case. I remember the first time I ever walked up to a 2020 Explorer, somebody had complained about some kind of knocking sound when the vehicle shut off coming from the driver's side area. So, dealership right here, this side door, I'm walking out of that side door, and it was parked right there where that black Explorer is. And as I'm walking to the vehicle, it had been shut off for about 30 minutes. All of a sudden I hear chook, 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 chook. I'm like, oh crap, something's under the hood. And I ran in there real quick and I grabbed Rob and I was like, Rob, come out here, listen to this. About 25, 30 minutes later, it actuated again. Rob was like, damn, something's under the hood. So I pull the cover off up above like the brake reservoir and stuff like that. And I'm looking down in there and I'm like, flashlight, I know there's like a raccoon or a squirrel or something gonna jump out of here. It was the ABS module self-checking itself. It's completely normal for it to do that. And there's loud, and it actually taps and makes a thud because it actuates and self-checks pretty hard. It's normal. I didn't know that either. I do now. Just want you guys to be aware of that. The noise rattle concern from the exhaust is a definite issue, and there's on the accordion part of where the pipes come down from the front and they kind of like a little S curve over. The accordion part has a wire mesh over it, and it sits there and rattles and chatters. And there's a TSB out that says put a clamp around it and tighten it down. That should eliminate the sound. It does not eliminate the sound, and in some instances it actually makes it worse. The only way that I've been able to fix that rattle at light or at idle or light acceleration, off idle, just real lightly, that tinging sound coming from underneath, is I've had to replace the entire section of pipe on both sides. It's the only way that I've been able to fix it. Just wanted to share that with you. Thank you. I will link the video that this gentleman commented on in the pinned post so you guys know where this came from, and you can see the video as well.